Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to enhance their fitness journey: vitamins that speed up muscle growth. You might be hitting the gym regularly and following a solid workout routine, but did you know that the right vitamins can significantly boost your muscle development? Vitamins play a vital role in various bodily functions, including energy production, recovery, and muscle repair. They are essential for optimizing your workouts and achieving those gains you've been striving for. In this video, we'll explore 5 specific vitamins that can supercharge your muscle growth. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, understanding how these vitamins work can make a world of difference in your training regimen. We'll break down the benefits of each vitamin, how they contribute to muscle development, and the best food sources to incorporate them into your diet. So, if you're ready to take your fitness to the next level and unlock your body's full potential, stick around. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how these vitamins can enhance your performance and help you achieve your muscle building goals. Let's get started on this exciting journey to a stronger, healthier you. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, plays a crucial role in muscle growth and recovery. This powerful nutrient is not only essential for bone health but also significantly enhances muscle function and strength. Research has shown that adequate levels of vitamin D can improve muscle performance, reduce the risk of injury, and aid in faster recovery after intense workouts. By promoting calcium absorption, vitamin D helps maintain muscle contractions and overall muscle integrity, making it a key player in your fitness journey. You can find vitamin D in various food sources, with fatty fish like salmon and mackerel being among the richest options. Additionally, fortified dairy products, such as milk and yogurt, provide a convenient way to boost your intake. For those who may not consume these foods regularly, supplements can also be an effective way to ensure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. However, one of the best ways to naturally increase your vitamin D levels is through sunlight exposure. When your skin is exposed to sunlight, it synthesizes vitamin D, making it an easy and free source of this essential nutrient. Just 15 to 30 minutes of sun exposure a few times a week can significantly contribute to your vitamin D levels. So, whether you're hitting the gym or enjoying the outdoors, remember that vitamin D is a key ally in your quest for muscle growth and recovery. Vitamin C is often celebrated for its immune-boosting properties, but it also plays a vital role in muscle repair and growth. One of the key functions of vitamin C is its involvement in collagen synthesis, which is essential for the health of connective tissues, tendons, and ligaments. Collagen acts as a scaffold for muscle fibers, helping to repair and rebuild muscle tissue after strenuous workouts. This makes vitamin C a crucial nutrient for anyone looking to enhance their recovery and overall muscle development. You can easily incorporate vitamin C into your diet through a variety of delicious sources. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are well known for their high vitamin C content, but don't overlook other options like strawberries, kiwi, and bell peppers. These colorful fruits and vegetables not only provide a refreshing taste but also pack a powerful punch of antioxidants. Speaking of antioxidants, vitamin C is particularly effective at reducing exercise-induced oxidative stress. Intense workouts can lead to the production of free radicals, which can damage muscle cells and hinder recovery. By neutralizing these free radicals, vitamin C helps protect your muscles and supports a quicker recovery process. So, if you're serious about building muscle and enhancing your performance, make sure to include plenty of vitamin C-rich foods in your diet. Your muscles will thank you for it. Vitamin B12 is often referred to as the energy booster, and for good reason. This essential nutrient plays a significant role in energy metabolism, which is crucial for muscle growth and overall physical performance. One of the primary functions of vitamin B12 is its support in red blood cell production. These cells are responsible for transporting oxygen throughout the body, and adequate oxygen levels are vital for muscle function during exercise. Without sufficient vitamin B12, your body may struggle to produce enough red blood cells, leading to fatigue and decreased performance. You can find vitamin B12 in a variety of animal-based food sources, including meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. These foods are not only rich in B12 but also provide other important nutrients that support muscle health. For those who consume these foods regularly, meeting your B12 needs is generally straightforward. However, vitamin B12 can be a concern for vegetarians and vegans, as plant-based diets often lack sufficient amounts of this vital nutrient. Without proper intake, individuals following these diets may experience deficiencies that can hinder muscle development and overall energy levels. It's essential for vegetarians and vegans to seek out fortified foods or consider supplements to ensure they're getting enough vitamin B12. By prioritizing this nutrient, you can enhance your energy metabolism and support your muscle growth effectively. Vitamin E is often hailed as the muscle protector, and its role in maintaining muscle health cannot be overstated. As a powerful antioxidant, vitamin E helps protect muscle cells from oxidative stress caused by intense physical activity. When you exercise, your body produces free radicals that can damage muscle tissues, leading to inflammation and soreness. Vitamin E neutralizes these free radicals, thereby safeguarding your muscle cells and promoting a quicker recovery after workouts. Incorporating vitamin E into your diet is easy, thanks to a variety of delicious food sources. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, sunflower seeds, and hazelnuts, are excellent sources of this vital nutrient. Additionally, green leafy vegetables like spinach and kale also provide a healthy dose of vitamin E. By including these foods in your meals, you can enhance your antioxidant intake and support your muscle health. Moreover, vitamin E has shown potential in reducing muscle soreness after intense workouts. By minimizing oxidative damage, it can help alleviate the discomfort that often follows strenuous exercise, allowing you to bounce back faster and get back to your training routine. This makes vitamin E an essential nutrient for athletes and fitness enthusiasts alike. So, if you're looking to protect your muscles and enhance your recovery, be sure to prioritize vitamin E in your diet. Your muscles will thank you for the extra care. In today's video, we explored the essential vitamins that play a significant role in enhancing muscle growth and recovery. We began with vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin, which supports muscle function and strength while promoting calcium absorption. Next, we discussed vitamin C, the antioxidant powerhouse, known for its role in collagen synthesis and its ability to reduce exercise-induced oxidative stress. Then, we highlighted vitamin B12, the energy booster, which is crucial for red blood cell production and oxygen transport, especially important for those engaged in intense workouts. Finally, we covered vitamin E, the muscle protector, which acts as a powerful antioxidant to safeguard muscle cells and reduce soreness after exercise. Incorporating these vitamins into your diet can lead to optimal results in your fitness journey. Whether through food sources like fatty fish, citrus fruits, nuts, or leafy greens, ensuring you get enough of these nutrients will support your muscle health and recovery. If you found this information helpful, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more fitness content. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who are also looking to enhance their muscle growth and overall health. Together, let's build a community focused on achieving our fitness goals and living healthier lives. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.